Tell your stories with anime images. Anime has been around for a long time and there's a huge fandom.
Huge fan!
When it comes to anime, you can create your own images with Canva. After you've created these images, you could create a blog because there's anime blogs that people really like. Or you could create a YouTube channel like my son. This is his channel. He doesn't upload very much, but he's really into this anime and he has people that really watches his video. One of his videos even got to 152,000 views. Let me show you the video.
It's always come this and come that. How about you come up with a better joke?
So people are really into anime and they like anime. So let's get back to how do we then create these images on Canva. On your home page, you're going to go to your apps, and on your apps, you're going to find anime. So when you scroll to your apps and you search for anime, and you find this app that's called Anime Style. When you click on it, it allows you to create anime images that are beautiful, that are used in an existing design, or if you use it in a new design. So let's open a new blank one and let's call it a video. You could start with this one that they show you here because it's fairly simple. It asks you to give a description of the anime image that you want, and then you click on create. So let's create this one that says girl at a fall color with mountain, and you click on create, and the image gets created and it's beautiful and it looks like that. And you could start being very creative. You could even get ChatGPT to give you beautiful prompts, so it's up to you. Let's do another quick one. And there we go, stunning anime images. Let's do a last one. So to answer the question, can you create anime images on Canva? Absolutely. To you to tweak and arrange the images and add special effects and edit the image. So, you know, with Canva, you can always select the image and then click on adjust, and then you can adjust the image, adjusting the contrast, suit whatever blog you're creating or a video that you're creating on YouTube, or for whatever reason that you may be creating this for. There's also the effects that you could apply. So there are filters that you could use, your natural filters, your warm filters. So it depends on how to adjust the image to suit exactly your project that you're busy with. Just take note that after 10 tries, I did get a message that said I've hit my rate limit. So I need to try in an hour. Be aware of this message. If you want to learn more on prompts on how to create prompts, go watch this video. Thank you so much for joining me today.